I'm a DIY person. I make cabinets for my home, install and repair electrical fixtures, and do plumbing jobs.
And I'm using power tools.
Lika, samahan mo ko sa video ito para malaman mo ang mga power tools na dapat ating bilhin para sa mga do-it-yourself sa bahay. Suportahan mo ang aking channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell para hindi mo ma-miss ang aking mga bagong videos.
Para sa akin, ang 5 power tools na ito ang most wanted ng mga DIYers. It is because sa pamamagitan nito, gagaan ang trabaho. Isa-isahin natin ito, and I am repurposing portions of my previous video where I introduce the power tools and hand tools that I use in making a wardrobe in the house. Wala na siguro mas pinaka-importanting tool sa carpentry kung hindi itong lagare. But hand saw in the long run is tiring, so gagamit tayo ng portable circular saw tulad nito. So I use this most cordless compact circular saw. It is powered by a 12-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It's here. Sa dulo niya. Ito siya ang battery. It's only 12 volts, but it will last for several minutes. Okay? So, this is heavy duty. Maliit siya. It's like a big toy for the old boys. And it performs well. Maliit siya, pero actually it works. Okay? So yun ang tunog niya. I bought this last December just before Typhoon Odette struck Cebu, and it proved useful for me at the time because after the aftermath of Odette, there was power outage, so walang kuryente. Then I had to fix something kasi diba ang bagyo. So I was able to use this circular saw in cutting plywood and wood. The blade of the circular saw is small. It's only 85 mm. Smaller than that of a regular circular saw, and also thinner. No, at least than a millimeter. In fact, the size is only 0.7 mm, the thickness of the blade. So, maliit yung blade niya. Pakita ko ulit later. The thinner blade, although, is enough to rip and cut a whole sheet of plywood or plyboard. This can cut up to 26.5 mm or about 1 inch thick at 0 bevel angle, and up to 17 mm at 45 degrees bevel angle. Isa sa matagal na trabahuin sa woodworking ay sanding. Kung gagamit tayo ng sandpaper tulad nito, abutan tayo ng 48 years. Para mabilis yung sanding natin, gagamit tayo ng electric sander. This one did a great job for my cabinet making. This is Stanley sander. It makes my sanding faster. It's a 240 watts and it is called 1/4 sheet sander. I'm telling you why it is called 1/4 sheet sander. Well, kung ito yung sandpaper, ito yung ginagamit ko para dito sa sander. Just an ordinary sandpaper, okay? So you fold it lengthwise, ganito. Pagkatapos, i-cut mo siya into 2 lengthwise. Then pagkatapos, yung lengthwise naman na 1/2, you cut it again, you fold it again into halves. So, yung resulta ay you have 4 na pieces of sandpaper. So, kaya nga tinawag siya na 1/4 sheet. And I think you are familiar, or we are familiar with 1/4 sheet during our high school days. Okay? 1/4, ma'am. Okay? So, bakit siya 1/4? Kasi, kasyang-kasya siya dito. Ilagay ito yung sukat para dito sa sander. Paglagay dito, madali lang siya. Yung may clip siya dito, i-release nyo lang. Then, meron naman itong, again, may lever siya na clip. Then, may clip siya sa harap. So, yung paper ang, yung sanding side ang nasa taas. Then, lagay mo dito sa clip niya. May clip siya dito. Pagkatapos, You just press the clip here. Then pagkatapos i-fold. Then dito naman sa kabila, meron naman siya ditong clip. At ito yung lever niya para lock. Then, lagyan nyo. Then, click it again. Ito na siya ang itsura. Okay? So may sander ka na. But hindi pa yan tapos. Wait, there's more. Ang sander na ito ay ang sander na ito ay may kasama siyang puncher plate. Ito siya. May ano dito, may ano tawag nito siya? Pointed. Basta itong puncher na ito, makikita nyo, may mga pointed something siya dito. Then ilagay nyo dito sa plate. Tamang-tama siya. So, just put it, pagkatapos, pampasin nyo lang. Okay? So, resulta, makikita nyo, yung sandpaper may mga butas-butas na siya. The purpose of the butas-butas diyan is to let the dust suck by the sander. Then, kung masasak niya sa on, ihigupin yung alikabok, yung dust, yung sawdust, papuntang, not so, tawag sawdust, itawag yun. Ay, basta yung dust galing sa, due to the result of the sanding. So, not sawdust, okay? So, yung dust na mula sa pagliliha, higupin ng sander, then labas siya dito sa exhaust niya. But actually, meron siyang dust bag. Ito ang dust bag niya. But this dust bag can also be removed. Pwede mo palitan ng hose sa extractor or your vacuum cleaner. The only negative that I found on this tool is itong maliit niya na switch. Ang hirap siya i-turn off pag kung ginagamit mo na siya. So hahanapin pa ng kamay mo unang ng daliri mo kung saan yung switch. Okay? It's so small. I don't know bakit lagyan na ng small. Pwede naman palakihan ng konti ito, di ba? Next power tool na dapat meron tayo ay ang power screwdriver and drill tulad itong Bosch cordless driver. You may also add a mini screwdriver like this for pilot hole, but kailangan mo ng main screwdriver for medium to heavy duty screwdriving.
Aside from driving screws, you can also use this for drilling holes and for compact drilling sa mga concrete walls.
You can adjust the torque here according to the situation up to 21 Newton meter for soft screw driving and up to 54 Newton meter for hard screw driving applications. So you just imagine, ang torque niya ay abot ng 54 Newton meter while itong lumbong na compact mini drill is only up to 3.5 Newton meter. So lopsided kung ikumpara mo itong dalawang ito. Okay? So, although malakas to siya, but I would still prefer using my heavy-duty electric drill for concrete drilling and compact drilling because it has more impact power. This has 2 battery packs and a charger and a set of bits. Kasali na siya sa isang box. At sa isang box, meron din siyang maliit na box. Itong box nito, andito yung lahat ng mga bits niya at sockets. Kung may pamputol ng kahoy, dapat may pamputol rin tayo ng bakal. You can use hacksaw, but again, hand tools are time-consuming and tiring in the long run. So, gagamit tayo ng de-kuryente. So this boost angle grinder is one of the latest power tools that I have purchased. This is classified as mini grinder considering its size. The handle is slim, so it's make it easy to grip. Then the blade size is only up to 100 mm in diameter. The motor is 670 watts. I use this grinder in cutting the stainless steel pipe that I use for the hangers of the cabinet. So hindi na ako gumagamit ng hacksaw. I just use this grinder. For minor nailing, pwede gumamit tayo ng martilyo. Meron ding portable nailer like this. This is electric, so hindi natin kailangan ng compressor tulad ng pneumatic nailer. This is the Mitsubishi electric nail gun. Remember, it's electric, not pneumatic. This is well built, although the nailing force niya is much weaker ikumpara mo doon sa pneumatic. But with a little tweak, it works, or it does the works well. Check my previous video about this tool because I have a review on this. The description or the link is on the description below. Please check it out. I use the nail gun to secure the position of the face cover of the drawers prior to driving screws. So, gamit pa rin ito siya. Lima na yun, sabi ko sa title ng video ito, Top 5, pero meron akong pambonus. For sanitation in your workplace or home, kailangan mo rin ng vacuum cleaner tulad nitong Inco Dry and Wet Vacuum Cleaner.
You can attach this to some of the portable power tools tulad ng circular saw and sander. Kailangan mo lang ng adapter para magkasya dito sa daanan ng dust. What is good with vacuum cleaner, hindi lilipad ang alikabok kasi hinihigop ito.
Pero kung wala kayong heavy-duty vacuum cleaner, an electric air blower is a good substitute. Now, this is a Lombong electric air blower. I find this tool very useful in maintaining cleanliness in our work area, especially after sewing or sanding. It helps your tool also always clean from debris. Matatanggal yung mga debris sa saw or circular saw, just in case. You can also use this air blower as a vacuum cleaner. Gawin nyo lang is tanggalin tong nozzle niya at saka transfer nyo dito sa kanya exhaust. So, ang not exhaust but the inlet ito siya. Okay? Ng suction. Okay? So, pag mag-on kayo, although mahina lang yung vacuum function niya, but it does the job kung wala kang magagamit na vacuum cleaner. This is actually rated 1,000 watts and the motor is capable of 16,000 revolution per minute. Ang air pressure niya is 3.6 cubic meters per minute.
Kailangan mo rin ng mga hand tools and accessories para sa DIY nyo. Again, check my previous video. I discussed there how and why we need some hand tools and accessories.
Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video ito, give it a thumbs up and mag-subscribe ka na rin sa aking channel. Daghang salamat. Ako si Jun Tariman. High Tech Tabay.